Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will be seeing how to change the mode of your wireless adapter to monitor mode. You can see that we have a wireless adapter named WLAN0. So now we will be seeing the properties of WLAN0 by typing iwconfig. Now you can see on the screen that the WLAN0 mode has managed. We have to change this mode to monitor. So first we will be typing ifconfig name of the wireless adapter WLAN0 down to disconnect the wireless adapter. Then next we will be typing iwconfig name of the wireless adapter WLAN0 mode, and now we will be typing monitor. So let me change F to W and enter, and now we will be again switching it on, connecting it. If config name of the wireless adapter up. Now let's check if the mode is being managed. Change from manage to monitor. So you can see that mode is monitor. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos like this.